Welcome back. Now news from sports. Goa Football Development Council needs sound coaches if it wants to make a difference to the mediocre football being played here nowadays. With the modern methods of training for youngsters assuming huge importance, Goa is found to be lacking in terms of coaches with sound knowledge of handling the youngsters. Nevertheless, GFDC is planning to invite foreign experts to train grassroots coaches from the state after signing memorandum of understanding with foreign clubs.
We shall be getting the foreign coaches here, foreign technical directors here. We are going to sign an MOU with some of the clubs in the near future, hopefully, and get their expertise to our coaches here. We cannot send 20 coaches or 30 coaches to Ajax or to other places, but we could definitely get those technical directors or those renowned coaches here to conduct a session for our coaches here, which would be more beneficial. So we are looking at that, and we shall be doing it in the near future.
The Australian outreach program of GFA, it caters to coaching education as well. Norm Boardman visits Goa and gives lectures for some coaches. So can it be assimilated together with GFDC program? Is the coaching principle same as what you are envisaging?
It can be. See, Australian sports outreach program started some years back. It took off, then it had its downfall. Now again it has taken off reasonably well. But since it has gone under the aegis of GFA, we thought it fit that it should continue. And we have targeted areas because there are limitations there. There are limitations on the budget, there are limitations on the number of personnel. So therefore GFDC decided to take centers which are completely away and not touched so far. So at least there will be no overlapping. But in time to come, assimilation is always possible. We can have one common philosophy for training and training methods in time to come. And GFDC president is also a member of the council, so that can be discussed.
Third edition of River Marathon 2012 was organized by Wasco Sports Club on Sunday. All the skilled and enthusiastic runners participated at the Grand Marathon race. Runners from different states had participated. They said it was fun and are hopeful of participating every year. The event gave 21 kilometers half marathon race, 10 kilometers competitive run, 20 kilometers corporate relay event and 5 kilometers fun walk run. Have a look.
I came here just to try and win. Yes, I am the winner now. It's good, it's nice, well organized and well arranged.
The route, terrain of this river marathon, how was it?
It's a bit tough, some hills and downs, yeah.
You like it?
Yes.
You enjoyed?
I enjoyed very much.
I'm feeling very happy because I didn't expect it to catch up with those guys who came fresh from Kenya. I've been to India for almost 1 month, every weekend in competition. How was the terrain of this river marathon route? It was very nice. Some slopey areas and downs, yeah. So I like it because even the place where I'm training here is just like here. So I enjoyed the course very good.
David Guetta rocked the stage on Saturday night at Candolim. It was an overwhelming performance. Fans enjoyed Grammy award-winning DJ David Guetta's power-packed performance. He performed at the grand finale of Superstar India, which offers a recognition to Indian DJs. Our VJ Omkar Falari has some excerpts from the concert. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.